This video shows how the point of sale display is assembled. It can easily be maneuvered on a pallet truck, and the display comes in two boxes. A small box that is the base, you can see it's labelled up base, and also a larger box which is the column, the main column that fits to the base and contains all the products. Marked tower here in the picture, and also the language. You need a drill, a knife and a spirit level, all the tools you need. Taking the pallet apart is quite straightforward. 2 people are needed for the small box, 3 people for the large box. The base can be unwrapped, it can be taken apart quite easily. It's heavy but doable with 2 people, easy to move into position. Take off all the wrapping, put it into position, move this first where you want it to go. There's a key there which unlocks the storage compartment, and inside that compartment is everything we need, from all the ticketing, all the shelving, all the brackets, some brochures, and all the screws, Allen keys, and some alignment items as well. So everything we need is inside that box. First, take the large Allen key, and we need to make sure that the base is level. So using the spirit level, please check all corners, all sides to make sure it is perfectly level. If it's not level, that's not a problem, because you can use the Allen key by adjusting the individual screws that turn the feet on each corner of the base. So adjust those carefully using the Allen key and checking the spirit level at all times to make sure that it's 100% horizontal and is not leaning to one side. The display is quite heavy, nearly 200 kilograms, so it's important that this is very secure. Next stage is to unpack the column. Quite a large column, it's heavier than the base, and will take probably 3 people to lift it from the horizontal position into the vertical position. Please be careful with this as it is heavy. So taking off all the packaging, all the wrapping is fairly straightforward. Please keep that in case we need to do something in the future. This part is critical. Lifting it up, make sure that the walls are not falling apart. 3 people ideally to bring it up into the vertical position, as it is heavy and it needs to be maneuvered carefully, so please be careful. Next, take the power cable from the bottom, feed it into the top of the base and out of the bottom of the base, as you can see in the video. That's quite a critical part because the base is fixed there, but the central column is quite heavy, so 2 people to lift the column while 1 person feeds the power cable in the top and into the bottom of the base. Then fix the slat walls and use these special guides to align the column so it's exactly parallel with the edges of the base, as you can see in the video here. Very easy to do, but very important, because the next step is going to be fixing the column onto the base. So by removing the slat wall on the headphone, this and the other sides, this will reveal some positions at the bottom, a little hole there, and by spinning the column we'll be able to screw the column into the base. So take out the 6 wood screws, and then make sure that the column is aligned, and then take an electric screwdriver and push the column from side to side until you can see a screw hole. It should be fairly straightforward and easy to see. There are 6 of these. These need to be screwed into position, which basically locks the column onto the base of the display, and it will be secure, so it can spin, it can rotate, no problem, but it won't move. There's another hole, so again screw in with the electric screwdriver that wood screw to secure the column to the base of the display. There are 6 in total, so just continue round by doing all of these, and once they're all screwed in, that column will be secure and will not move from the base. Then it's all complete. It can rotate all the way around in both directions, and that is the main assembly of the display. All you need to do is plug it in and it will all light up.